In this video, we have been given that AD is equal to BC, CD is 2, AB is 4, and angle DAB is 30 degree and angle ABC is 90 degree. Then we have to find area of ABCD. So the first method, we have AB is 4 and from point D, if we draw a perpendicular on AB, suppose this point is E and suppose DE is A, then interangle DAE, it is DAE, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 30 degree, DE is A, and sine 30 degree, it will be equal to DE by AD, and DE is A by AD, and sine 30 degree, it is 1 by 2, that is A by AD. So AD, it will be 2A, AD, it will be 2A, and now we have AD is equal to BC and AD is 2A, so BC, it will be 2A, and now from point D, if we draw a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is F, then in DE BF, it is DE BF, these three angles are 90 degree, so this angle, it will be also 90 degree, that means it will be rectangle. So DE, it will be equal to BF and DE is A, so BF, it will be A, BF, it will be A, and CF, it will be BC minus BF, and BC is 2A minus BF is A, that will be A, so CF, it will be A, and now if we join BD, then triangle DBF, it will be congruent to triangle DCF, because we have DF common and angle DFB is equal to angle DFC, that is 90 degree, and FB is equal to FC, that is A. So DB, it will be equal to DC, and DC is 2, so DB it will be also 2. And now in triangle DAB, it is D, A, B, DA is 2A, DB is 2, AB is 4, and this angle is 30°. And in any triangle ABC, if AB is A, BC is B, AC is C, and this angle is theta, then cos theta, it is A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. So here cos 30°, it will be 2A square plus 4 square minus 2 square by 2 times 2A times 4, and cos 30°, it is square root of 3 by 2, it is equal to 4A square plus 16 minus 4 by 2 times 2A times 4, it will be 16A, and 2 times 8 is 16, and if we cross multiply, then 8 times square root of 3A, it will be 4A square plus 12, and 8 is 4 times 2 times square root of 3A, it is 4 times A square plus 3, and 4 will get cancelled, so 2 times square root of 3A, it is A square plus 3, and A square plus 3 minus 2 times square root of 3A, it will be 0, and it is A square plus 3 is square root of 3 square minus 2 times A times square root of 3, it is 0, and we know that A square plus B square minus 2AB, it is A minus B square. So this will be A minus square root of 3 square is equal to 0. So A minus square root of 3, it will be 0, and A, it will be equal to square root of 3. So we get A is square root of 3, and now in triangle CDF, it is CDF, this angle is 90°, CD is 2, CF is A, that is square root of 3, and CF square plus DF square, it will be CD square by Pythagoras theorem, and it is square root of 3 square plus df square, it is equal to 2 square, and 3 plus df square, it is 4. So df square, it will be 4 minus 3, and df, it will be square root of 1, that will be 1. So df, it is 1, and df, it will be equal to eb, that is 1. And AE, it will be equal to AB minus EB, and AB is 4 minus EB is 1, that will be 3. So AE, it is 3. And now area of ABCD, it will be area of ADE plus area of DEBF plus area of FDC, and area of ADE, it will be 1 by 2 times base is AE and height is DE, plus area of DEBF, it will be DE times BE, plus area of FDC, it will be 1 by 2 times base is FD and height is CF, and it is 1 by 2 times AE is 3 times DE is A plus DE is A, and BE is 1 plus 1 by 2 times FD is 1 times CF is A, and it is 3 by 2 A plus 1 by 2 A, that will be 3 A plus 2A plus A by 2, and it is 6A by 2, that will be 3A, and it is 3 times A is a square root of 3. So area of ABCD, it is 3 times a square root of 3. And the second method, if we make a perpendicular at A and perpendicular at C, suppose this point is E, then in AB, CE, these three angles are 90 degree. So this angle, it will be also 90 degree. That means ABCE, it will be rectangle. This angle is 90 degree, and AB, it will be equal to CE, and AB is 4. So CE, it will be 4, and BC, it will be equal to AE. Suppose X. BC is X and AE is X, and we have AD is equal to BC and BC is X, so AD, it will be X, and now if we join ED and BD, then we have angle EAB is 90 degree and this angle is 30 degree. So this angle, it will be 90 degree minus 30 degree, that will be 60 degree. So this angle, it will be 60 degree. And now in triangle AED, it is AED, we have AD is equal to AE, that is X, and this angle is 60 degree. That means it will be equilateral triangle. So these two angles, they will be 60 degree, and ED, it will be also equal to X. And now we have angle AEC is 90 degree and this angle is 60 degree. So this angle, it will be 30 degree. This angle, it will be 30 degree. And now in triangle ABD and triangle ECD, we have AB is equal to EC, that is 4. Angle BAD is equal to angle CED, that is 30 degree. And AD is equal to ED, that is X. So triangle ABD, it will be congruent to triangle ECD. Hence BD, it will be equal to CD, and CD is 2. So BD, it will be 2. And now in triangle ABD, it is A, B, D, AD is X, AB is 4, BD is 2, and this angle is 30 degree. So cos 30 degree, it will be equal to 4 square plus x square minus 2 square by 2 times 4 times x. And cos 30 degree, it is square root of 3 by 2, it is 16 plus x square minus 4 by 2 times 4 times x. And 2 will get cancelled, and if we cross multiply, then 4 times square root of 3 x, it will be 12 plus x square, and it is x square plus 12 minus 4 times square root of 3 x is equal to 0, and it is x square plus 12, it is 2 times square root of 3 square minus 4 times square root of 3 x, it is 2 times x times 2 times square root of 3, it is 0, and it is x minus 2 times square root of 3 square is 0. So x minus 2 times square root of 3, it will be 0, and x, it will be 2 times square root of 3. We get x is 2 times square root of 3, and now area of ABCD, it will be equal to area of ABD plus area of BCD, and in ABD, AB is 4, AD is x, that is 2 times square root of 3, and this angle is 30 degree, plus in BCD, BC is x, that is 2 times square root of 3, and CD is 2, BD is 2, and we can find this area by sine formula, and this area by Heron's formula. So this area, it will be 1 by 2 times AB times AD times sine, and angle is 30 degree, plus, and here S, it will be 2 plus 2 times square root of 3 by 2, that will be 2 plus square root of 3, and area, it will be square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where A is 2, B is 2, and C is 2 times square root of 3, and it will be 1 by 2 times 4 times 2 times square root of 3, and sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, plus square root, and S is 2 plus square root of 3 times S minus A, it will be square root of 3, times S minus B, it will be square root of 3, times S minus C, it will be 2 minus square root of 3, and 2 will get cancelled, and 2 times 2 is 4. So it is 2 times square root of 3 plus square root, and square root of 3 times square root of 3, it will be 3 times, and 2 plus square root of 3 times 2 minus square root of 3, it will be 2 square minus square root of 3 square, and it is 2 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 times 4 minus 3, and it is 2 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3, that will be 3 times square root of 3. So area of ABCD, it is 3 times square root of 3,